In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to add participants and embed signatures in HTML document template. Choose the HTML template you created from the Document Templates list. Navigate to the Participants tab and click New to include a new participant. Enter the participant's name into the Name field. Map the participant to the User field. Enter a value in the Order field. This value establishes the order in which tasks are commenced for participants. Click Submit. In the HTML template's body field, click at the location where you wish to collect the participant's signature and choose Insert Signature. Select a participant from the list provided and click OK. The signature variable is now inserted into the document template. To save your changes, click Update, then proceed to publish the template.